The Heartkeeper's promise in a hidden valley. A young deer named Willow guarded the heart of the valley, a mystical gem that kept the land lush and green. One night, Willow discovered the heart was stolen. Without it, the valley would wither away. Determined to save her home, Willow set off on a quest. Along the way, she met a clever fox named Fern, a brave squirrel named Nutmeg, and a wise owl named Orion. Together, they followed the thief's trail to a dark, twisted wood. Deep in the woods, they found an old castle where a wicked sorcerer had taken the heart. The sorcerer planned to use its power for evil. But Willow and her friends devised a plan. Orion distracted the sorcerer, while Fern and Nutmeg caused chaos in the castle. In the confusion, Willow snatched the heart back. With the heart safely returned, the valley flourished once more. Willow had kept her promise, proving that even a gentle deer can be a true hero.